No! Too far. God damn it, Squall. Thank you. How about here? Should be perfect. So I've gotten 4 stars here before, I believe. It was really annoying. It was not cool. There it is, the 4th star. God damn it, what? Really? And I'm dead. There's the 4th star. I'm gonna get shot right here. Yep.
You can't escape.
What the fuck? So I gotta go to the right of this boat. Clearly. I mean, it was still 5 minutes. I should have still finished like a few minutes ago. So, regardless, it doesn't really matter. I know now not to go to the left of that boat. I've never really remembered getting 4 stars there.